What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
OCUP Pharma may just be the next BNGO. It shot up 40% in pre-market hours because of favorable results from its phase 2 clinical trials, and the stock still has considerable room for growth. Based on 3 analyst ratings on tip ranks, OCUP Pharma is a strong buy with average price target of $24.67. On Simply Wall Street, this stock is 98.7% undervalued, with a fair value being $353, which is insane. Now I think that's a bit too ridiculous of a price target, but the only reason I'm showing you this is just to make a point that it feels like this stock has massive potential. So what does the company actually do? They are essentially creating drugs to treat several eye disorders, but the reason for this latest rally in the price is that the company has had a successful phase 2 clinical trial, and they plan on going to phase 3 trials for one of their drugs that treats an eye condition called presbyopia. This is massive news for this small cap company because according to the World Health Organization, 1.8 billion people globally were diagnosed with presbyopia in 2015, and cases are expected to reach 2.1 billion by 2030. In the US alone, around 120 million people are currently living with presbyopia, and cases are expected to increase in the future, opening a new window of opportunities for emerging therapies. Currently, there are no FDA-approved drugs, and there is a high unmet need for new therapies for presbyopia treatment. All current non-pharmacological treatment options are either inconvenient or invasive, posing a major unmet need for people with presbyopia to enhance the quality of life. There is a clear unmet need for effective, safe, comfortable, convenient, and easy-to-use therapies which can also slow, halt, or reverse the progression rate. So this is from the press release recently that caused a big spike up in the share price. OCUP Pharma Inc., a clinical stage ophthalmic biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing therapies for the treatment of several eye disorders, today announced that the Vega-1 phase 2 clinical trial evaluating the efficacy and safety of Nyxol in combination with low-dose pilocarpine in presbyopic subjects successfully met its primary and many secondary endpoints. On the strength of these results, OCUP plans to move into phase 3. Given the rapid onset and sustained duration of efficacy, the favorable safety profile, and the potential tunability of treatment, Nyxol plus LDP has the potential for differentiation and to be a best-in-class product for the treatment of presbyopia. Now, what's the bottom line here with this stock? Is it a good time to buy or should you wait? At the time of the recording of this video, we have an RSI of 58, which means it's still somewhere in the middle between overbought and oversold. I usually like buying stocks when the RSI is close to or under 30, and that's the best time to buy in my opinion. However, if you have a long-term time horizon on the stock, then I don't think you can go wrong by dollar cost averaging in. That's because of the massive potential this company has if they can get their drugs out into the stores after they get their FDA approval. That's because the total addressable market for presbyopia is huge, and they don't seem to have much in terms of competition. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next one.